Hello. How are you guys? I hope you're doing wonderful. It's a DIY today. I'm excited. So this furniture has actually already been worked on. I did it before I actually thought that I was going to be doing a DIY on this. So it's halfway done. So I'm going to show you how I did it from start to finish. Of course, it's not going to be all the way to start from finish, but it's going to be close there. So some of the things I've already done, but that's okay. I'm just glad that I was able to do this. So welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and enjoy. Alrighty, so the first thing I wanted to go through was the items that you'll need in order to get this done. If I haven't already said, today we are doing a DIY on distressed furniture. This is a shoe shelf, and I will be making it look distressed. I've already worked on it, sorry, but I'm going to be finishing it with you guys today. Alrighty, so this is quite simple. Right now you're just gonna work on the paint. You're gonna work on what color do you want your furniture. So I'm gonna start. Okay, first things is I spray painted this, right? Well, I spray painted everything, this entire thing. This is just a regular black spray paint. So you can get it at Walmart, you can get it anywhere almost. And because I used it is because that this wood material was not actually real wood. It was like a fake plastic cover that they just plastered on. So I had to get some kind of texturizer. So I'm going in with a blue color. Maybe we will meet again, little ducky. You just want to win. I'll take you. Sorry. You were fine. I'm actually just vlogging right now. Ooh, don't get paint on you. Oh, fuck. Oh, you got all of this right now. Yeah. Oh, well, I'll give him a bath. Hey, come here. You're okay. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. I got children's safe paint, so hopefully. Oh, you ate it. Yeah, well, it was on my actual. I'm so sorry. You're fine now. You're totally fine. No, you're fine. Hi, bye. For sure. Thing is, once this all dries, you're gonna be able to see every color that you put into it. So it's nice to see. Once I distress it, you're gonna see like little patches of colors being exposed. Okay, so I wanted to show you real quick how those wood actually looks like underneath. Slick wood. It's not real wood. But yeah, so that's why it makes it very hard to actually paint. Alrighty, so that was it. Besides me having to spray this, and make sure when you do spray your outside, it is very strong. I learned that the hard way. So yeah, thank you. Alright, so even after you spray this finisher, it is okay to go in and paint some more, so don't be afraid to. Alrighty, I hope you guys learned a lot and do this with some ugly furniture in your house. Alrighty, bye! Um, but how are you? Are you okay? What's wrong?